In this factory tour, we will see how Kraft paper is made inside the factory. The Kraft paper making process starts with the arrival of waste paper to the factory. First of all, the waste paper is sent to the pulping unit using a conveyor belt. Now, the pulp is made by mixing water, chemicals, and paper. Here, the cleaned pulp is passed through large wire to make thin Kraft paper. Next, the paper is pressed and dried to remove moisture. Here, the big-sized paper rolls are ready. Then, the rolls are sent on for further processing. After that, the paper rolls are trimmed on both sides. Now, these jumbo rolls are cut into 4 pieces. Once cutting is done, the rolls are strapped and weighed. Finally, the prepared Kraft paper is ready to dispatch.